In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate replies using Grok, Timesaver 2026. By the end, you'll have a simple automation running that sends consistent, on-time replies without you lifting a finger. I'll keep things clear and practical, and we'll stick to exactly what you need. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. Any modern browser will do. If you plan to revisit this often, it's a good idea to bookmark the page so you can jump back quickly when you're refining your automations later. Next, log into your Grok account. This isn't strictly required to look around, but signing in ensures your progress, settings and tasks are saved and synced. Keep your credentials private, and if you're on a shared computer, remember to log out afterward. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI interface front and center. This is the space where you normally type prompts and get answers. It's helpful to know this area because your automated replies will use the same kind of instructions you type here, just executed on a schedule. Look to the left sidebar. This is your main navigation, and it also includes your profile icon for settings. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see the labels. You'll find key sections here, including the one we need to build automations. Open the sidebar and select Tasks. This is where Grok keeps scheduled and repeatable actions. Inside Tasks, click Create Task. Think of a task as a reusable recipe. You define when it runs and exactly what it should say or do, and Grok handles the rest. Now set up the task details. Start with frequency. Choose how often you want the automation to run. Daily, weekly, or another interval that matches your workflow. Then, set on, which is the specific time the task should trigger. Make sure your time zone is correct to avoid off-hour messages. Finally, add your instructions. This is your prompt to Grok, and clarity matters. Briefly describe the purpose, the tone, and any rules. For example, draft a friendly, professional reply acknowledging receipt of a customer message. Include their first name if available, restate the key request in one sentence, offer the next step, and sign off politely. You can also specify formatting, length, or phrases to avoid. Keep sensitive data out of your prompt and use placeholders instead. When everything looks good, click Create Task to automate it. From here, Grok will run the task on the schedule you set, and you can return to the task section anytime to pause, edit, or improve your instructions as your needs evolve.